So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the access control list. So files and directories have permissions set for the owner of the file, the group associated with the file, and all other users for the system. However, these permission sets have limitations. For example, different permissions cannot be configured for different users. Thus, access control lists will be implemented. So ACL is included in the default Slackware installed. So to activate it, you simply have to remount the drive with the ACL option. Okay. So the get FACL and set FACL commands are how we kind of alter the ACL and access control list. So the set FACL utility sets ACLs for files and directories. Using the -m option, we can add or modify to the ACL of a file directory. So we see that command here, set FACL, -m, and then the rules we want to apply, and then the files we want to go to. Now guys, I'm not really going to go over this because ACLs aren't used that often really in system administration. It's not something that's typically used a whole lot, at least not yet. So there are going to be specific environments where you may use, but really it's not used a whole lot. Instead we use other permissions that we're going to go over here in a little bit. So for each file, get a FACL displays the file name, owner, the group, and access control list. If a directory has a default ACL, get a FACL also displays the default ACL. Non-directories cannot have default ACLs. If the get FACL is used on a file system that does not support ACLs, get FACL displays the access permissions defined by traditional file permission bits. So let me go ahead and pull up VirtualBox here. Let's see if this one will do it for me. Let's go ahead and type get FACL. And then after that, we're going to put in, or we're going to go ahead and hit enter here. Okay, so we need to put the file, yeah. Get FACL. Let's do it on test file. And there you go. You see it displays the owner, the group, and then the permissions on each one. Okay. So that's how get FACL works. Let's head back to our PowerPoint. So the following permissions we're going to talk about here, these are how we actually set up permissions more effectively.